Take it out of my face, man.
Yes, clearly you can see say Keisha look like you want to talk me now. But let me tell you, you see, she
Yeah,
camera
man.
I'm a holding composure.
Guys,
I'm a holding composure.
hold
Like,
on.
come on.
Why this leaf?
Yo, yo,
I eat the food still. Finish up.
yo, the camera with half. Yo, up. So,
I want prank.
one supreme. Back at it again. Man, Keisha did. Like, you can't just be honest enough. Man, Keisha did. Like, I don't know what I'm going. But, another girl on my phone screen gone wrong. My prank Keisha, I'm thinking, bro, like, you just look at them, the dog. Let me just like asking to them there. You know, we're just going to ask you. We're asking. Let's get into it, man. Don't mind me, Chad. I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be kind of off.
You.
Looking at somebody. Oh, shit, the quality is so ass. What the hell? Just, you know, it's not Supreme. Boy, is Supreme uploading at 4K? Oh, my, Supreme, respawn. Okay, okay, Supreme. I was not familiar with your game.
You.
You know, we broke graphics playing at 720. Yeah. Don't mind me.
YouTube. It's your boy
Mm-hmm.
Super and then one never duper. Guys, as you can see by the thumbnail and title, me I go on a date with Keisha and me I go prank her. And then when you don't know anything they said already. Me never yet do a prank, but me feel like
Bestie.
just make sure to like, share and subscribe and for pay back in that video. As you can
No,
see
man.
now, IHOP. This is IHOP right here.
I
Me
have.
never yet come in a
That's not
IHOP. I don't
American
know why you
channel
so
about that.
down tall, you see me? Man, me know them nothing from morning. We just eat sitting there before me go do that prank here. We go on a date here. We go eat some next food, man. We don't know say me is a hungry belly youth. Nothing no wrong, me wife half for no. Make sure say no alright,
Really
you see
good.
me? But I just eat some pancake and sit in there. Could I just get like pancake? Like, how do you guys serve the pancake? Like 1, 2.
What like franchise?
Yeah,
I
I would
don't
like
know
like
about
two,
this.
two pancakes and scrambled eggs and bacon. It help I be a breakfast. It's like only breakfast here. Burgers
You
as
know
well.
what?
Oh,
Yo,
okay.
Supreme
Okay.
accent,
As you can
dog.
get that my first time here is you see me?
Like,
Chop up breakfast.
when I try to see, yo,
Me
real
not the
countryman,
beverage.
dog.
Me not
Been
the
telling ya.
beverage. Me never had nothing for drink. Man, them. You say tea. Long time me not drink tea.
Tea.
You see me?
Real long time the
Me take
drinks
a
not
kiss
tea.
and
That one
run.
drink
I'm a
no tea.
change man. Man, me know so no say super. Oh yeah, run like you eat it and everything. I saw
Mm-hmm.
me get to work. I saw me get to work. You see me?
Remote that one.
Kiss me, son so. You can't just son kiss me. Yeah, yeah. She just son kiss me.
You
Hey,
know,
me
like,
get
yo,
good
no, she
kiss,
was,
kiss me.
yo,
And me around.
she did, you know, like, yo, I'm surprised she was so fast. Like, she well ready feature, you know. So,
And the man get at me for
she
around take
be
her
in
out. You
there.
see me? But yeah, guys, we are take her out for
She
the
was
date.
in there.
Man, when you don't know, say Keisha is cheap already. So, what me I go do? My
Boy,
friend Lily, make sure send me one
really?
picture. Matter of fact, me go call Lily later in the video and make you know hear everything. And show you which picture me I use and everything. But right now, me I get some breakfast and then later on, Keisha go forward and then we go on the date. So, you just stay tuned. Yeah. On them. You just get it, then just get everything
And
and go and give me. The man I tell me say, I mean if should I tell him say me want to stay here, you know. Me didn't know that day. So me get me lemonade, the man them. Lemonade type shit.
we ain't full here. We ain't full here. Cause I pay lemonade, yo, that shit
Boy
was
them pull a
love.
brim. Eh?
Yeah, man, I
Pull
saw
a
it
brim
here,
man.
man. So that's a full up the
And
cup.
me scramble
Full up the
eggs.
cup.
Guys, that's simple stuff me do. The simple stuff.
Simple
Me
stuff.
do no outrageous.
Rich nigga hotboxing in a Lambo. Organized crime boss like a soprano. Bust down 8 figures with my famo.
Who this?
Mm.
Is this Offset?
Organized crime boss like I'm soprano. Bust down 8 figures with my famo. Bust down.
Mm. Yeah, man, so it's have this. I didn't think about. Catch back later. You see me? Alright, man. Me just that text Keisha a while ago. Keisha say she can't find nothing for wear and she don't know if we do her head. But guys, me the get carried away and make one shop. Me get some shirt, bro. Me show you shirt then. The shirt then man. So me have the blue one here. Me can rock this here and this. Showing it. See back there. See front.
No, I kinda like that. More better.
Front.
More better. I kinda
See
go.
back there. Tough
Like
and
that.
mash up them. You see me? Me just see get carried away, my guys. Me come shop and say that me have one bag for my little sister. Little sister we are going to school, so look at her. You go reach home. Keisha do her hair and stuff, so she go forward
So
back
be
later. But
super.
me I go and shop.
Support the
When I
family.
reach home and then we go change and get ready. Probably me wear this here. Me don't know. Guys, only don't know say rain start fall. Oh, and this is the next day by the way. This is the next day. Yesterday,
The 2-day vlog.
we'd have to reschedule because she said she couldn't find her clothes. And you know girls stand with them ear. Them after them ear good so. Hello.
Couldn't find no
After
clothes.
them ear good so.
What do you mean?
Man, they just have to reschedule
Man,
it.
female be
And she
saying.
said she have to buy clothes and stuff so. Okay. Me nah rush
Okay.
her and me
Yeah.
stick on look
You
for
don't
man.
now
You see me man
precise.
them car.
Now
You
go
know girls
precise.
there they want to look cute up and nice up and
Mm-hmm.
you see me?
Yeah,
I'm
man.
going to get some
Believe,
lip
man.
balm. Cause man them, me not telling you no lie. Me don't know if I
Just
just
buy
have
some
an
Vaseline,
aura.
dog.
Me don't know
The
atmosphere.
place cool. The
Me
place
lip
cool.
white. Half I time them me I tell you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling
Yeah, bro. In New
you.
York, bro.
Me don't know
Place
one.
cool.
It's just that every minute
Now
me
winter
me
come
lip
up, yeah,
feel
man.
like it white, bro. So I just gotta buy a lip balm. Cause I want me have. I just say one time I rub on the lip balm, man. It come like a living shit me a smell like me no know. Me don't know when that the lip balm them. It lip balm pinkish man. So me just dash you away. So I go buy one I the store right now. And man, me a plan to get her flowers. You think
Chill
me get her
out.
flowers? Like them
Chill out.
lady or some type shit.
You nigga was busy, you
Me
know,
no
so I
know. Me a
guess
think
was
about
alive. So
me a think
say.
about flowers. Guys, look for them flowers. Yeah, me. One of them could I get her one of them are I don't want to get her synthetic like them are real, you know. But them look nice. Got any other colors like red?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see it. This is for 9
Oh
too?
shit.
Okay.
Bro, everybody
I
just
think
be
this looks
chatting in
nice.
America. Everybody just chatting.
Flowers. Guys, we could, you know,
Nigga in the corner start
you
be
know, but
chatting.
one next time we could. Would I get her like real flowers, like
Yeah, me target flowers, guys.
and gears.
Hi, Joy.
But see, same thing, yeah. See, lip balm, yeah. Then see, I good lip balm this. So I've been told. So I've been told. Lip balm, right?
Bro, we've been
I
told.
say, lip can't work. I guys look at him. She a go come. She ready already and everything. We just have to wait for her. So probably like few minutes from now, she a go reach and then like we are gonna make our way and go to the restaurant. About the prank. The prank, me I call Lily right now. So we can hear and we have proof, you see me? Lily, you there on the vlog here? Yeah, they on the vlog. Me just a call, make them see. Like, you prank, me tell you about what you gonna do. Yeah, so, man them, a Lily picture we use. Me ask these if you send me a picture. Lily, you can say hi to your vlog, you know? Yeah, yes, me use Lily
There you
picture.
go, man.
Man them,
Okay.
and then you put it
Oh,
on me.
man.
Friggin' what then call it? Scream saver. So as that's her name.
Scream
Wallpaper
saver.
papa
Yo,
wallpaper.
Jamaican we
And
scream.
then we
What
have
in
see
the
her
dark
reaction.
scream saver?
Man them, I don't know Kisha cheap already and they sitting there and they sitting there, you see me? But
And that
I say
shit
thing have
there.
to say big up Lily if you help with the prank. Lily tell them big up and sitting.
Big man.
Alright guys. Me no know the outcome of this. Me no know none at all. But when Keisha come, we not gonna put on the set time. Me gonna put on the like when we in a place probably guy bathroom. Me no know guys, but me a put it there. Me no want as we start at the place, the commotion go on. Make we at least eat two food a little bit.
Yeah,
Then we
man.
put on. Yeah, we not go see, bro. We not go see. We just alright guys.
You can't have me all the time on the side of the phone, dog.
Keisha the right up.
Bro, me need a Nike
People
ski,
them
dog. Like,
people them.
trying to see how me have like the regular ski, dog. Like, me need
Me just
some,
say
need the Nike
me
ski,
nah
dog.
me a put it wallpaper.
That's my
But
phone,
when
dog.
time like me reach at the buffet.
Need
So
me a
like me
Nike
I say me I got the
ski.
bathroom and me put it on the buffet. Me not take up my phone none tall. Me just go take out if you book it Uber and then you know me not make sure looking at my phone none tall man them so let's get it shit outside now. Me I book it Uber right
Yeah.
now. Rain still a fall. Me go for Keisha. See Keisha they up the road. Man them me I book it Uber right now. Hold on. Can't Hold on there. Uber. Hey! Me not
Yeah.
just good.
No.
Eh?
And
For real?
this is it. But
For real?
who's
Man, when I look for Keisha, guys, I look for Keisha, bro. Oh, you put that shit
W
on
is
me? Come
it?
here.
Oh, that's a
Hold on,
W
let me.
fit. Oh,
Hold it
hold
for
it.
me. Hold it for me.
Oh,
Hold it for
hold
me.
it.
Hold it for me. You can't talk
That's
that
a
too much.
W fit to
Hi.
me.
Alright, Uber book. Give me my camera.
That's a
Come
W
on.
fit to me.
Come on, daddies. Alright, guys, this is Keisha. Keisha. Man, them don't know from the last video. You don't know what going on in the last video. Sorry, me run you see me? Keisha, you just sketch me off guard. Cause,
Right.
imagine me ask you, we are going to do dinner first and everything, and you just swing a kiss for a man. Eh? Eh? You just swing a...
Yo, Z, she had a
It's
guy.
true. You can't go inside until the Uber come because we're in a fall. Like guys, the Uber just forward. Like this. What is this thing? Put this over your side. Ah. Yeah, that's me. How's your day? And then me feel good, you know. How you feel?
Nigga,
Let me run left.
either.
Oh, my feeling.
You don't feel no, you know.
Mm-mm.
That's me, you know me stay. Now guys,
Boy,
Keisha know
it's
me.
short.
Keisha,
Yeah,
you know.
come on.
Keisha and her friends and sitting man, you know. She has to get but to work on it. I'm taking her to dinner. Nobody ever take her to dinner. Nobody ever take her to dinner? Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Who? Who take her to dinner? Besides Rami.
Evil
Alex,
one.
who take her to
Not
dinner?
that. Not some of
No,
them. Evil one.
tell it honest, true.
A joke.
Reason.
Mm-hmm.
Fix your nose ring. Yep, the septum. Straight and neat. Keisha irritate me entirely, you know. Straight and neat sitting man.
Love it, no?
Let me straight. Me no, make me do it. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Anyways, you see, I'm ready first.
Mm.
We got me not tell you where we go. When you go there, you just feel the vibes. Guys, you don't know where she don't know where we are going on time. But just tell her say, if you come, make her up on a date. So I coulda want farm me I go and you don't know. Lip by me. Nobody can say me sit there white and easy.
Man, go.
Lip by me lip.
Let's see some yo, some people try to get his little buckets
Yeah,
and
I
his
put
little
more time.
buckets, you know what I'm saying? Like,
My lip shine.
look,
Every time my lip
you
shine,
know, man.
but a Keisha lip balm me used to use. Me used to use Keisha lipstick.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Keisha lip gloss. And me just put on it cause me never no lip balm none time. Me say my lip balm when have it come like say a shit in that lip balm. They put on that lip balm they come like say your mouth just come out one time. No, you say me tell you the truth man. Lip balm smell bad. So me have to buy a
And this
fresh one, you
thing.
see me? They must say me no use the kiss. Why
Oh,
they must say that?
God.
Man them.
You run away, what you mean?
So why if me run with nothing wrong? Man them. Hear me I say. Me a bad boy. Me a bad boy.
Nah, it's alright.
If a man run, it's just cause it's shocking, you know? We don't expect it happen at
Right.
that time. Cause you say, you know, or you just
Right.
force it so. You just
You know, ask me.
no, but like you just do it so do I me I try to say like, or you do it so. Like you couldn't just wait, and then you do it. You just walk and say, alright, come on just.
No, Richard,
I suppose
don't come on,
suppose I suck
man.
in these go me turn
Don't
man. Me
chat.
tell you say me no drop
No,
down
let me
right there.
start all the thing.
That's so bit of because
No, a good thing them go.
me
The
dead.
premium with the long video them boy. Halfway,
Alright.
you know, kind of get
Okay,
few
say
things
Ghana.
done in between.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, oh. Listen, we
Hello.
know a Supreme Woman, we know a Supreme Woman and thing. We know it's Supreme Woman, guys. Supreme go find her get number.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, whoa. Hey, whoa.
Hello.
For how many?
Two, me and her.
You want the soda?
Yeah. We are following Keisha. Why they man give it right, that's all. Thank you. Go on, sit down. Which side am I sit down, man? Yeah, I'm sitting over here, say I'm sitting inside of you. I'm sitting inside of you?
We gotta be together,
Hello.
What kind
baby
of drink?
girl.
What kind of drink you want?
Together.
What kind of drink you guys have?
Lemonade for punch, ginger ale, Pepsi,
Lemonade.
Fruit punch.
same.
What you get when you get?
Nah, I'm high
What
key
you get when
feeling
you
the
get?
pink
Yeah, I
lemonade.
get when you
That
get, you know?
like that sounds like my
Guys,
vibe.
let me tell you, this is a buffet. So we can go for the plate. I'm going to say go for the food and stuff. Collect the
So
food
what
and
that song called by
get there
looking
and
at?
then you literally empty. When you grow there, you go see. When you want to try juice, ask about you and sit down and sit. I mean, I don't know if, even know if this song copyright or in here, guys. You see me? The juice them, yeah?
I'm on the they hold the
Thank you very
copyright.
much. Hey,
Me.
excuse me. We can just go get our food? Okay, thank you.
Oh good. What you mean?
This is for me. That's
That's
for you.
straw.
Uh-huh.
I'm a straw,
Yeah,
nigga.
no, you taste it first,
I
Keisha.
need my straw.
They say woman harder for dead.
Oh, they got
Woman harder
straw.
for dead. I don't mind that. Alright, go taste it at one time. Go taste it. Eh? Just taste it, no, Keisha. Alright, come 1, 2, 3, 2 taste it one time. One time. You see me? Ready? Ready, go on.
Pepsi Cola.
Come now, come now, come now.
I
Come.
remember asking somebody.
Right. It man them she want kill me. Come. Ready? Suck it, suck it. Suck it, suck it. Man, them it tastes like Pepsi fruit juice. Come. Yes, sir.
That's crazy.
Yes, sir. When time we done share the food, I will go back there. Me I put Lily for my wallpaper. Me I check out the bathroom and come back. And then take out my phone and put it on the wallpaper. So if prank start when time we go sit down back. So yeah. What are the banana with it?
Always a buffet thing
You
go.
done for yourself?
Oh, that's fair.
Yeah.
So why you
Are you fi
can
bend over? I want if they inside your copy rice. Keisha, where you a get? Anything where you get, me I get. Me I get one of them, yeah. This good it taste like shit. But me just I get everything one on one. Me no know, you see me? Me just I try stuff man them.
Just a
Me I get
try
one of
stuff
them, yeah.
real man.
What this? Bomba, a gully rat. A gully rat, me
Yo,
and your man, me no know.
yo, brother, chill out. Don't,
After this, start with
uh, you know, say I can change it out and stuff. If I change the so yeah, man,
what this
we
yeah?
out,
What
we
this?
out. I don't, it ain't like that.
Graveyard for this. What? This? Me no know.
they just have to win and then
Yeah. If me belly run, Keisha does so. Me want try this, yeah.
Nah,
I don't even
swear.
know what it is,
Now
but me I
niggas
just
be
say,
ghetto.
it is good.
Now
And
niggas
if
be
you Keisha,
ghetto like,
shrimp,
bro.
conch, what is
This is
lobster,
a crazy ass
crayfish,
combination.
popcorn chicken,
crawfish.
fries, man them. Rice, me no know what this, me no know what this.
I see Supreme thing look a little bit
Wings
neater.
and fried chicken. That's how me get to work. Come in, go I got with table and come back. And them,
Kumba.
me even if the song you
Second play I go
copyright
for?
thing. Well, me I got bathroom and
I
come
don't
back.
know, yo. Say
Alright,
on
man, them a
Supreme
plan.
on a YouTube, man.
I'm right there. Right here. Yeah, that's it. Appreciate it.
Yo, Supreme subscribe. Immediately say, I'm on enough other stuff, man. Yo, appreciate you, man.
Alright,
Yo,
bro.
niggas show love. Shout out to the American, bro. They show love. They show love, though.
Alright, man, them. We
Show
don't know.
love.
We don't know what you look, sir.
Yo,
Man,
that
we
batch
don't
look.
sir.
Yo, walk on over the door, like.
But they don't have it on
Canteen a door.
wallpaper. See that? Lily.
Yo, see, hold on. I
Right
gotta
there.
get a little close.
I'm before that, and I'm gonna sit up one
I
them.
gotta get
Yo,
close a little bit.
yeah,
Like,
must
see,
be
yo,
a prank.
Supreme.
Me never yet actually do
Supreme.
a prank yet, bro. We
No,
go do a prank and then
thing
probably just take
you
up.
know,
I say what?
oh
I
my
just put it
god.
on back, you see me? I make sure she see it. I make sure she see it, man. Them.
Bro, that
So
door is
come in, ready?
crazy
Prank
though.
start
That
right
kind of tough.
now. Alright guys, let me explain this quick and fast to you. The camera, it that record, but like it come like say me miss the clip, me get to save I'm become like he accidentally delete. But when me tell you what I go on. So she look on the phone, she see the picture, she asked if I'm my phone that, and then me say
We missed the clip, dog. Oh my god. Alright, we'll get to it. You know,
yeah, I'm my
not
phone, and
really,
then she say who that girl there? And then me I say I'm a friend, and then this is basically what I'm after it.
That's
That
my
time on
friend.
just not get to see reaction how he lead
The
up
live
she see the picture, but
reaction.
yeah, that time I just explain it, so I watch that part and I fully love, you know.
You like her?
No,
Stop telling
I'm
me.
a friend.
Show me a shot.
Eh?
Show me a shot. Who they? Hi.
I want video. Easy.
No, let me see that.
Easy,
No,
easy,
wait, let me see
easy,
that.
easy, easy.
No, me promise.
Damn, she actually like mess with bro. Like she wouldn't care if it was none.
Me now
Like,
go
she
walk
wouldn't
up.
care.
Let me
No,
see.
I'm
easy.
Let me
trust
see
me.
it.
Guys,
She has to let me see it now.
Keisha, we can just slow
Mm-mm.
that.
You just be ready. You just wait a minute. Just call her and make she come take a picture.
Carlo, I make Keisha, me I
Huh?
want TikTok. See,
Let
it's
me
like I
see
want
chat.
TikTok.
So let me see
No,
chat
look,
now.
it's like I want TikTok. Like she put me on her wallpaper and me put her on my wallpaper.
Yeah, me you got.
Guys, she a complain.
Don't tell
Anyway,
them send me a
this
complaint
now got
about
in
me.
like. But I know
Let me
like
see. So make me see chat now, Jerome. Are your
You know, I
girlfriend?
said this
I know
dog.
my girlfriend.
You like her?
It's not my girl.
Yo, government name, yo, Shaka, government name, you know. Jerome,
See
bro.
chat now, Jerome. Are your girlfriend?
I
Access.
know my
Jerome
girlfriend.
is
You like
crazy,
her?
It's not my
yo. Shall
So
girlfriend.
you
call up
like.
I'm a
name,
friend.
guys.
You like.
Yo,
No, I'm a friend.
yo,
Don't put her stop irritating me. No. You like her?
Guys,
yo, Shaka, yo. No, I'm leaving that true. If it's like, course, yo, bro, chill. Like, me know if you do something wrong, but like, certain things, bro. Like you can't be calling me names and shit. Like you can't be like, yo, bitch, fuck nigga, or chill out. Like that's cut off. Like chill out.
we are gonna enjoy food, hour.
You like.
We are gonna enjoy
You
food.
like.
We are gonna enjoy food.
Stop that now.
We are gonna enjoy food, hour.
Stop that. Stop it.
Me not happy.
Yeah,
So yeah,
Keisha.
get up.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, go away.
Yeah, call her. Make she come eat it so you know waste some money.
Guys, she had. It's just I like one TikTok where she send me
No
a.
fucking second. Show me which part she send you.
In oh my god, here I know to backside.
You
Here I
want me
know.
see chat now? Why you don't want me see chat?
Me show you chat already. Me show you chat.
As me
Did
go
show
to
you chat.
scroll up, yes, that.
No, cause like. But no, I want to see the picture.
The room.
Hmm.
Stop
Zero.
irritating.
Yeah, eat the
Show
food.
me chat.
Mm.
Bro, I tell one is,
Show
bro.
me, huh?
I'm government name a call. You know, say it's serious, bro. Government name a call.
No man, you here and I'm the one and I want to taste good. What you do? What you do?
Uber Shaka.
I go. Keisha. I don't know serious enough.
You like that?
No. I don't know the serious. Me don't know why me don't know why she. I don't know the serious.
Show them when me I see.
Wait, show them what? Man them. I just this year, bro. It's like one TikTok where she sent
I
me.
just this, bro.
She sent me fair picture. Me put her for my wallpaper, and then she
I
put
like,
things
I
on her.
like. Stop tell lie. You like her.
Me not like her.
You like, you see, you
No,
like a girl in a animal tell like. If you like the girl, say you like the girl. And stop tell lie.
no friends. No, like if I did so real shit, because this is what.
The girl. So
It's
you
me
get
up
the
and
food?
top rank. That's what.
Tell me say you
No,
like the
Me not
girl.
like her. I'm
Why
a
you
friend.
tell lie?
I'm a friend. Why you shake? Why she a shake? Like she want to talk
no
with us.
shit.
Watch
Keisha.
your in your food.
Alright. Make you just take care of my wallpaper with us, buddy. No? You eat the food. You eat the food still, no? Huh?
Appetite done, boy.
So yeah, so do you just go lowy?
Sorry,
Yeah,
me make
man.
you waste some money. I forgot call her and make she come. Call her and make she come.
Me not
Make you
call
waste some
nobody.
money. You like her?
I'm a friend.
You like that?
Yeah.
Keisha love her though.
You like that?
It's like, yo, the man supreme picture of Carly that, bro. Keisha love her red hair thing, though. She love it, though. But, bro, I think it's supreme
You like
dragging
that?
it.
Yeah.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
But you like
I'm a friend. So you know, I love you like your friend.
that?
Keisha, somebody can like them friend. All
Let
right.
me offer that.
You know the funny?
It lock up?
No.
Lock up it.
No. What me like coffee for?
Lock it up.
Why you shit?
In your pool.
What? Stop shit.
In your... Don't touch me in your pool.
Yes,
You're not
nah,
cool.
Keisha
No.
afraid of Keisha afraid. Yo, Keisha
Yo,
feelings,
man, them she a
like,
shake your
heavy
freak. Why
feelings.
you shake?
In your pool.
Why you shake?
In your pool. Stop touching in your pool.
Oh yes. Alright, aprang. Lo. Aprang. Man, them me show in the chat too. Aprang.
What's that? It's TikTok.
Today.
No, look, aprang. Yo, help me with a prank, sure. Send me a picture. Yeah, it's a prank, chill. Everything the video, you go see everything. Man, them Keisha start shit. Keisha literally start. No, Keisha literally start shit. Luna, you go see everything. It's a prank for you. It's a
You
prank.
want to see me and in your pool picture?
No, you actually
Yeah,
pissed.
cool.
You go still eat?
Me not care if you like, you like.
No, you want prank for you. I want prank with you. You know what I mean?
My
You
God.
that your face me and I have something. I'm a prank. Chill, calm down.
Well, yes,
Yeah, eat the
This
food.
is
Oh God, guys, we broke our vibe. You eat the food.
Get who?
You eat the food?
Get who? Here get. Guys, him never get me a phone because I swear to God, Mako. Take it out of my face, man.
Yes, clearly you can see say Keisha look like you want to talk me now. But let me tell you, you see, three cameras, I'm a whole in composure.
Guys,
I'm a whole in composure.
phone.
like him up.
Why this leave?
Yo, Keisha,
I eat the food still.
yo, the camera with half. Yo, up. So,
I want prank. Me too now. Guys, me attack to her. Yeah. Alright guys, we're there back. She did actually go through your phone. Keisha did that shake.
A phone, me cool.
And Keisha talk about oh she like go. Tell him what you say. Tell him what you say.
Guys, a phone, me cool. That me.
No, tell him what you say. Tell
tell us what you said.
Suppose me an accident. Suppose me I take up a phone and me an accidentally.
Oh, accidentally.
Accidentally just
See, do you want to slap me?
have.
Show me force. Show me style.
Guys.
Keisha, yeah, I would have texted off. I'm down fling off a yard road and got me yard.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Mm. She not.
After a prank.
Yes, she
Man,
not laugh. Serious.
I thought about calling. You want to see me? See me?
But a fool, me cool. You not feel the AC?
No, me don't feel
See
cool.
your hand there. See your cool.
Me don't cool. Don't persuade me say me cool. I'm sorry. Don't persuade me say me cool. How you feel? Me broke your vibes, no?
No.
Me broke your vibes.
No. Cause me not
So,
care.
some of them we should make it look a little longer than.
Not here.
You say I go clap. We should make it look a little longer than, man. Shit.
Why?
So you know I say me any too early, guys. That's when Mrs. Keisha start shake and you see, but that's
Don't mean
anxiety.
to you, she have a.
Me I say probably she have anxiety, you know. I mean, you want her to cry or not, so or not. Yeah, girl, when them can get emotional and stuff there.
Catch me.
Man, them should have push it a little farther then. We should push it a little
No
farther.
man, no man. They should have cried out that crazy.
Alright.
Like, too much that dog.
Next time I
Too
prank you,
much
I'm
that.
gonna know. Oh. Me nah name this, look there.
Wait, that's what I'm going to laugh at me now, what that? Play with.
Yeah, she have.
Keisha, do you want to slap me down, man, them? Keisha, me don't want to reach the far still. I want to look a prank. Chippy, bad one, eh?
No, Keisha, mad bro.
Say
Keisha.
double prank. Say double prank.
L.
Say double
L.
prank. Say double
L.
prank.
Never really.
Say
No,
you want to
Keisha,
watch him
tell
plan
us
a cuss bad
to-
one. I already fi chip out. Man, them we bingo, bro. Double your friggin' prank. And I just saw me do it and I just saw me get to work. I watch Keisha's cruel tree freaking chat. Me can show you, you can prank. Wow. Eh? Let me see. What I say? Which part? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Friend which will Lily and my friends. Yeah, search your whole chat. Eh? Yeah, read out the whole chat.
Nah, I got it.
Yo, hello.
Yo.
Yeah.
Look for me now.
Mm-hmm.
Take your pause.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? She's in there.
In it. In it.
Search out the whole light, man.
I
You
got
want to make sure.
What the hell is this speaker, bro?
Come see. Anyways.
So the whole time with their record?
hold on.
Let me this back there.
Base calling.
Come now.
Big calling chat. Big calling.
Let me back now.
Oh my god, Kisha, we didn't come here to search your phone.
Open
We
it
didn't come here to search your phone.
Chat, we're gonna try to have reaction fast. Cause, you know, business.
So we are go eat more food and we are go
Open
keep
it.
you know, don't search the chat. Wait, we are going.
Open it back. Let me see something real quick.
Yes, we are going.
Yeah, go post that.
Yup.
Yo.
See it.
Yes, we
This is all going on. This one.
Open it back.
We are going bathroom and come back, guys.
No.
You are go see it on the YouTube. You are go see it on the YouTube. Man, the message you hold on for me. Like off for me now.
Zero one. You tear up
Bro.
Zero.
Yo, government name, everything. Yeah, loud.
So really, I do this. But a prank, you know, why
I
you be so
apologize.
struggling?
I apologize.
Why you be so struggling?
I apologize. Look what you do.
Man, them, you know how me time me call girl like babes.
Don't even bother like
Chill,
You
that.
got
alright, chill out.
I want to talk to them.
Talk to them.
No, nobody be doing
No,
that.
me don't want to talk to them in front of you.
Open it.
Nobody be doing that for real.
Keisha. Chill no. I want a
I'm not
prank.
gonna stop.
It's a prank.
I'm back, be back.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Open
It's
it.
a prank.
Open it. Open it.
Nope.
You have some height.
Nope.
Nope.
Guys, let me know the pranks in there do, man. What you want to search your whole of me phone now? Tell me what you're going to make here.
Chat. They will.
Eh?
They will.
We no wheel.
Get up outside of me. Get up outside of me.
So like, wait. Tell them what you're going first.
Boy, chill, man.
You see your shirt? White?
Boy.
Yeah, take a picture of me first.
Me not take nothing. Take it yourself. I'm going to call 30 minutes.
Boy, chill out.
Excuse.
So you go?
Excuse.
So yeah, go for true. I want prank, go.
Let me see it.
Me sure you.
You know what me at that.
Yeah, shake.
Let me see you sitting. I'm a foot me shake. See that?
Yo, Keisha, boy, bring a little bit. So please, Keisha, Wait, oh my god, Keisha, chill out, Keisha, oh my god. Man,
them, she gone, man, them. Man, them. Me no do them pranks in there, no, can you see it? Man, them.
I tell you.
I say Keisha is a girl there, so when Keisha makes Keisha walk. Keisha not turn one place, Keisha do them sitting there. You see me? So, guys, they end up walking back.
Why you telling me to walk? Don't put me in that.
Then see when you walk away. Like, she kind of mixed with me right now. And let me tell her, say, I'm
still when you walk away.
Me want to take 2 pictures, Keisha, and I want to take a picture. And then me want to take my picture, Keisha, and I want to take a picture. Me just feel nice and just feel the prank, you see me? But I just so me get to it. I said, you're not taking picture of video. Eh? Me want to post him on IG. Alright, man. We're ready. Guys, Keisha the top Bexing over there, so I take picture. Right now, me go take some picture for me YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Me not ever do a prank back by Keisha, because Keisha take prank too far.
Yeah, man, that's how Keisha not look like she did. Yeah, man, guys. W reaction, W Supreme, the work, the vlog. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Emergency calls.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Think I don't know what my tongue gonna.